Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a custom checkout page made entirely with Wix code. Now this checkout page forms part of a much larger e-commerce site. The e-commerce site within has a lot of features such as a client dashboard area where your clients can come and sign up, and they can have access to a private my wish list feature within which they can add products which are out of stock and get notified via email when they come back in stock. You can have a back office portal where the people in charge of this website and web shop can restock and keep a check over how much quantity is available to be sold to the clients, and many more features. Especially one is where the web shop, the online store, has a multi-currency option, so your clients can purchase in their default currency or whatever currency they want. But today we're just going to be showing you the checkout page. So as you can see, you have the checkout page. I have my cart, I have my shopping cart, I have 2 items in it, and the total for this 2 items, 12 and 12 GB, comes to 24 GBP. Currently there is no shipping cost added, but soon going to be added once we start the checkout process. So let's go ahead and start this. I click on this button. So it's telling me to select the country. I'll select the country, and once I select the country, you can see the shipping cost has been automatically calculated and the grand total is updated. Now you can have an entire database and a back office portal to control the shipping rates for each country, and you can have numerous shipping rates for each country. For example, for Norway, I have a standard shipping rate which is 4.5 and a premium shipping rate will be 40.5. Now note that these shipping rates have been actually entered in euros, but the page is calculating according to the currency that the client has chosen in his cart. So you can just have another database and you can set the exchange rates. You don't need to key in each currency manually, and the website will do the rest. Let's proceed. So you can give your clients option to redeem a coupon code or redeem a gift card code which you can sell on your website. Right now I'm going to be showing you how to redeem a coupon code. So I go here, I'll type an invalid coupon code first. So if it's an invalid coupon code, it runs this check through the database of promotional codes and it gives me a invalid code notification. Now when I try a valid coupon code, it's going to process and you'll see that the grand total has changed now. Again, you can customize this area also. Instead of just having a small box, you can have additional input fields such as dates, names, options which your clients can select. Okay, so over here we can see that we are now being asked to continue with this. So if I'm satisfied, I'm going to be continuing with this, and hence the checkout process begins. I'll just go over this quickly because I don't want to take you guys time. This line 2, and again you can have like you can customize this. You can only have the information that you want to capture, but I think for checkout process these informations are mandatory. You can have regex validation on each input field so that you can ask for a particular pattern to be entered. For example, in the number field I just want numbers, so I can, if I try to input something else, it's going to give me an alert. So if the billing address is same as the shipping address, no need to do anything, but if it's not, just uncheck it and you'll be able to edit your billing address details. I'm just showcasing you some of the functionalities of the checkout page, and this checkout page was made entirely keeping the user experience in mind. So there's a flow to it. So I'll just show you what happens when I click on pay now. So we go on a lightbox where the lightbox will handle the payment. The payment is obviously powered by Stripe. We currently only support payment portals and online stores that can accept payments via Stripe. So I will make another video later which will show you what happens after this, after the card information is entered and the payment has been processed, how the checkout page will handle failed payments and how it will handle uh, accepted payments. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're looking for support in your web project, please drop me an email. I'll leave my email in the descriptions below. Thank you guys.